Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial on creating a cinematic text intro using CapCut. In this tutorial, you'll discover simple tricks to make your text pop and stand out. Plus, I'll show you how to apply masking transitions to your video. Follow these simple steps to create a cinematic text intro using CapCut. First, you need to import a video like this. This type of video you can download from Pexels or pixabay.com. Add the video to the timeline. Then add a default text from the Text tab. Adjust the duration of the text with the video. Select any bold type font. Change the default text. Increase the text size. Change the position of the text as needed. I have set the text to the bottom. I have increased the character spacing a little bit. Change the text color to black. Now I want to add a white border to the text. Enable the stroke and set the color to white. Reduce the thickness value to 10. Hide the video track. Then you have to export still frames. Export still frames used to take snapshots of the screen. Snapshot automatically added to the Import tab. Show the video track. Select the text. Change the text color to white. Again, add the same video to the above video track. Select the video added on the top video track. Go to the Remove Background section. Turn on the auto removal and wait till the process is complete. Auto removal is used to remove the background from the video. It only keeps the human body. If you hide the main video track, you will understand how it works. Here the text is showing behind the person, but I want to show the person inside the text. Add the text image to the above video track and adjust the duration. Select the text image and go to the Basic tab. Change the blend mode to screen. Now the person is placed inside the text. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.